Hello guys, and welcome once again to a new video. Today I will try to show you how I will change my windshield trim. Finally has come the day that I'm changing this trim. I have the car is from 2006 and it still has the original windshield, and the trim has received some beating over the time. That's why it looks very nasty, so it has to be changed. Therefore, I will guide you to the process, what you need to do this and how to do it. Stay with me, and in the end you will see also the final result. So for this process you will need the following: some type of card or squeegee to remove the residue, a clean cloth, some type of window cleaner, a mini vacuum cleaner, and of course the new trim that will be placed on the windshield. As you can see, I have opted for the original OEM trim. This is just to be sure that the adhesive will stick very good on the windshield. Okay, this being said, let's start working on removing the old trim. Be careful when you peel this off to use something soft, not a screwdriver or something like from metal, to be sure to not scratch the paint. Otherwise some water will enter here and then you will have some rust. Once you remove all the rubber, be sure that you will remove also the metallic trim. There is a metallic trim here, but before you remove this, be sure no rubber residue remains in this hole. Okay, the next step will be to remove this adhesive residue. And this can be done with some window cleaner. Okay, this is how it should look like after cleaning, and now we can go ahead and remove the metallic trim. So you will have to insert it here like that and then snap it inside. Before snap it the whole way, do the same thing also on the other side. After installation it should look like this, and then the final part and the most rewarding stuff is trimming along ahead gently this part and then pushing it in order to the adhesive to stick to the paint. And that's it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and of course please subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye.